Far from the noise and hurry of crowded towns, in a peaceful countryside surrounded by rolling green hills,
stood a small, humble home, quiet and peaceful beneath the open sky. There lived an old father and his 3 children. The father was a man of quiet wisdom, but his children were seldom at peace with one another. Day after day, they argued among themselves. They argued while working, they argued while walking.
No, you're wrong! I am not! Wait, I think it's this way. See? Whatever.
Even moments of rest often turned into quarrels.
You always take his side. No, I'm not, but it's true. We have to go now. No, I'm too tired. Come on, it'll be fun. I don't know.
Each believed his own thoughts to be right, and each one kept saying,
I am right.
The old father watched with concern. He loved his children dearly. Yet their constant disagreements weighed heavily upon his heart. The father called his children to his side. They gathered around him, curious and silent.
My children, I wish to show you something.
He lifted a bundle of sticks, bound tightly together with a rope.
Break this bundle,
said the father. The eldest child stepped forward first. With all his strength, he bent and pulled at the sticks. But the bundle did not break. The second child tried next. He pressed and strained, yet the sticks remained firm. Finally, the youngest child attempted the task. He twisted the bundle this way and that, but it would not yield. The children looked at one another in confusion.
Now, untie the rope,
said the father. The rope was loosened. The sticks fell apart.
Break them now,
said the father. This time, each stick snapped easily, without effort. The children gazed at the broken sticks, then slowly turned their eyes toward their father.
My children, you have just witnessed a simple truth.
The father lifted one of the broken sticks and held it gently in his hand.
When these sticks were bound together, no force could break them. But when separated, they broke very easily. So it is with all of you. When you quarrel and stand apart, you weaken yourselves. But when you stand beside one another, your strength multiplies.
The children listened silently. Their restless pride began to soften.
You are not rivals, my children. You are companions in life's journey. Remember always, unity does not merely give strength, it gives peace. And peace is the greatest strength of all.
The children lowered their heads, not in shame, but in understanding. From that evening on, they stopped arguing and stayed together. And the small home, once restless with arguments, became a place of warmth and happiness. So children, unity gives strength and harmony gives peace.
Thank you for watching.